Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Honda ZOOMER 50 4-stroke 50cc little moped or scooter. Very popular with us over here in Ireland. The only ones that kind of bring them in en masse. This one is actually a trade-in, so we know the previous owner, and it's only been 1,000 miles or 1,000 kilometers, sorry, since its last service, so it's ready to go. Tires are good front and rear. It only has 15,000 kilometers on the clock, so that's in around 9,500 miles, 10,000 miles, so very low kilometer bike as well. In really nice condition overall, aesthetically really good, mechanically good as well, which you'll see in the ride along video. So from the front then, front tire then, plenty of thread left as you'll see. Really good. Front mudguard, very minor little scrape there at the front here. Other than that, really good. Original front headlamps and indicators. Original bar for the indicators itself. Plastics are original in black as well, in good condition. Front shocks are in good condition. Front alloys in good condition as well on this front right hand side. The front left hand side now, shocks again really good condition. Brake lines all original. All electrics here all original. Again, the battery box original and in perfect condition. That's where you see a lot of scraping going on from ownership, but this one is in pretty much tip-top condition. No marks to make note of here for you at all. Down onto the floor, so you see the Japanese writing, because is a Jap import. Footwell area is all in really good condition. No real marks or scrapes to make note of as well. This does have extras of the barbell or the side footrests as well, to make it a bit more of aggressive foot position for the bike, as well for a kind of a taller individual as well. It's much easier. I know for me, when I owned a ZOOMER for over a year, that's what I did. I put these on and I rode around with that. It's much easier to ride on if you're a bit taller. These also around here, the metals for the seat, brilliant condition. Up over the top then, again, no marks to make note of, no rips, tears or any sign of wear in the seat itself. Little bit of marking around the rear where probably a chain was wrapped around the back for carrying. Very common in these ZOOMER at the back. Stickers original rear brake light and indicators as well. Today's on an 8x, so one of the later ones with the carburetor models. Engine main or covers or belt CVT covers, all really good condition. Airbox original as well, no modifications there done. Really nice condition all around in here. Main stand is good and is in good condition as well. No side stand with this, just the main stand, but it is 50, so it's not going to take much to get up onto it. Rear mudguard in good condition, hasn't been cut and is in original condition as well. Rear tires perfect too. No plenty of thread left on it. Now onto the right hand side. What would you call it? The exhaust cover here. Heat shield, I should say, in perfect condition. Right hand side, coolant cover there, good condition. Coolant there as well, in tip-top condition as well. Down to the actual bars again on this side, all good condition again. No real marks to make note of. It's in really good condition bike. Up over the top then, all the kind of push points are in nice condition. Metals here, good condition as well. Only 15,578 kilometers on it. And here as well, under the seat then as well, we have our markings of where we serviced the bike. So the bike was last serviced here. I don't know if you can make that upside down, but 14,140, and the next service is due at 17,000, so you have another 2,000 miles or kilometers until the next service really. So that's it for the Honda ZOOMER on the visual analysis, so we'll now move on to the ride along video. Okay, so we're on to the Honda ZOOMER 50 ride along, 2008 with low kilometers, nice condition. So how to turn the bike on or how to start it? It's ignition on. You can have the rear brake in, which is your left hand side, front brake is your right hand side, and there's a little latch there that you can hold on to, so if you just want to do that, then you can do that, but you can also do it with front brake, I believe, as well. You can, so it doesn't really matter. It's just brake in and starter button. But off we go. We do have the little pegs for us to put our feet on. For me, which is much more comfortable, being taller at 188 centimeters or about 6'2". We'll just do our usual little run around the estate, kind of see what we can make of the bike itself. And off we go. Takes off very nicely as well. Handles really well too. Feels nice. These bikes are capable of up to about 60 kilometers an hour if you're lucky. Uphill you're looking at about 50, obviously downhill you're looking at 60, so we'll kind of test that out here at the hill up here. Getting up to about 50 kilometers an hour now is just good in the estate. Get up and away from traffic. This is a fast accelerating one. It is mixed from bike to bike nearly at this age of these bikes, you know, over 12 years old kind of thing. 12, 13 years old. So we're going to go up the hill. You feel a bit more power coming in once it hits about 30 kilometers an hour. And we're going to go up. So this is a fairly steep hill as well. So we're looking at 45, 50 kilometers an hour up here. And we're going to do our turnabout. So what's the handling feel like? Usually these little Zoomers are very easy to flick and flock around. So we're just going to get in and around here. And this one's no different. Really easy turning circle. Plenty of lean angle on her there. We tested the indicator coming out of the Ardmore estate as well, which is good. Front right is working for sure, but we'll go over the electrics come the sit down point. So we're doing 50 kilometers an hour here, 55. We're going to turn left into the estate here. Mirrors are nice, no real major vibrations through the mirrors there, so nice and clear is your rear vision. You know, there's not many modifications to these bikes, which is what most people want to start off with, and then you can do some nice little modifications if you want to get a bit more speed. There's a huge forum on these Honda Zoomers or Honda Ruckus, massive parts out there for kind of aftermarket. If you do want to start doing a bit to them, they're getting very hard to get. Even in Japan we found it very difficult to get them, so they are getting a bit more scarce out there, even though they are by far our most desirable scooters that we have ever brought in. So we're going to turn left here again and move into the estate here, and we'll put the bike up on the main stand, of course, and we'll go through the electrics. So rear brake, if we can get that. The rear brake is working. Right, front right and rear right indicator working here now. And it seems we have a bit of an issue with the left indicators, but that'll be fixed. Usually what actually goes on is there's if a bike has been sitting, there's the connection in here gets a bit loose, and you just try a bit of WD-40 in there and it's the way it goes. The rear brake is working anyway. Front headlamps are working, and then we'll go to the high beam as well, which is working too. So all electrics are going to be working for the bike. Really nice looking bike. Black is the favorite color of these. 2 keys with the bike too. So let me just take a picture for the thumbnail on YouTube. Again, if you do want to look up prices of the bike and stuff, there is a done deal link down the bottom, or our website, which should have the bikes listed. And if you can't find it there, it usually means the bike is sold, unfortunately. They usually go very quickly, so if you're seeing a video probably a week or two after, it usually means the bike is gone. If you do want to reach out to us on our social sites, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, as well as www.retrobikesdublin.com for our website. Anything else then, if you do like the video, again, the little reviews we do on these bikes, please do leave a like. Also comment down below what you think of these Honda Zoomers and Honda Ruckus, or whatever you might call it from where you're from. And finally, if you could subscribe, we're nearly at 3,000 subscribers now, coming up into January of 2021, so a subscription will be greatly appreciated. So away we go now on our Honda Zoomer. Oh yeah, last thing I was meant to check was the horn. So there's the horn, all working, good to go. So that's been it for the Honda Zoomer. Thanks for watching.